Welcome to Techie Dialogue, where we hack the future of content creation to save you time and money. Are you tired of spending your hard-earned cash on monthly subscriptions for AI video tools that give you limited credits and low-resolution results? Today, we are putting a stop to that, because Google Veo 3 is officially accessible for free with a 100% working method that gives you unlimited generations. Yes, you heard that correctly. $0, zero limits, zero watermarks. While other creators are stuck with the standard 100 credit limit on Google Flow, today I am going to show you how to unlock the full professional power of the Veo 3 engine using a hidden entry point that most people are completely overlooking. So, let's jump straight into the technical setup. Step 1. Finding the Gemini Business Trial. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Gemini Business. You will see several results appear, but make sure you choose the official Google Business or Google Cloud page. This page is important because it acts as the entry point to the professional AI tools Google provides to creators and developers for testing their newest models like Veo 3. Step 2. Creating your free trial account. Once you open the page, you may notice that it asks for a work email. This is normal for the business workspace. Instead of creating anything new, simply sign in using your existing Gmail account. Any active Gmail account will work perfectly. Just follow the on-screen instructions, sign in, and complete the registration process. After finishing the setup, you will be redirected to the Gemini Business dashboard. You may notice this interface looks different from the normal Gemini version. That is because this is the professional environment with more advanced features. Step 3. Accessing the Veo 3 tool. From here, look toward the top left corner or the navigation menu and find the option called Tools. Click on it and a drop-down list will appear showing different AI features. From this list, select Create with Veo. This is very important because this is not the standard public interface. This is direct access to the Veo 3 model through the business trial, which is exactly what allows you to bypass the usual credit limitations. Step 4. Writing a high-quality prompt. Now that you are inside the Veo interface, you will see a large prompt box where you can describe the video you want to create. One important tip here is to always write detailed prompts instead of short ones. This AI performs much better when you describe scenes like a movie director, rather than using simple phrases. For example, instead of writing city video, you could describe a cinematic drone shot of a modern futuristic city at sunset. Glowing neon lights reflecting on glass skyscrapers and clear. Flying
If you found
cars
this
in
helpful,
the distance, make sure
soft
to like the
golden
video
hour
and
lighting,
subscribe to Techie
ultra
Dialogue for
realistic,
more AI
shallow depth
tutorials,
of field,
automation
dramatic
workflows,
atmosphere,
and
4K
practical tech guides.
movie quality visuals.
Thanks for watching. The more descriptive
And I will
you
see
are,
you in the next
the better
tutorial.
your results will be. Step 5. Generating your first video. Once your prompt is ready, simply click Generate. You will see a progress indicator while the AI plans the scene and renders the animation. This usually takes around 10 to 20 seconds. After that, you will receive an approximately 8-second HD video clip. Now, here is something very important to notice. Look carefully at the corners of your generated video. You will see there is no watermark at all. Normally, the public version adds a visible logo, but inside this trial environment, the videos are completely clean and ready for professional use. Step 6. Fixing common errors. If you ever see an error message during generation, do not worry. Many people think the method stopped working when this happens, but usually it is just because the prompt was too short, or the server had a temporary issue. Simply click Regenerate and try again. Since this account is not credit restricted during the trial, you are not losing anything. If the error keeps happening, try improving your prompt by adding more description or changing the style. For example, adding phrases like cinematic trailer, Pixar-style 3D, or photorealistic animation often helps the system process the request better. Small prompt adjustments usually fix the issue quickly. Step 7. Downloading your videos. Once you are satisfied with your video, look below the preview window and click the download button. The file will save directly to your device in HD quality. Since the trial lasts for 30 days, you can repeat this process as many times as you want and build a large collection of clips for your projects. Step 8. Creating professional thumbnails. There is also another powerful feature hidden in the same Tools menu. When creating YouTube videos, you also need thumbnails, and this platform includes an image generator called Nano Banana Pro. You can use this to create professional thumbnails to match your videos. To do this, you can ask ChatGPT to generate a detailed thumbnail prompt based on your video idea. Then copy that prompt and paste it into Nano Banana Pro. Click Generate, and within seconds, you will have a high-quality thumbnail ready to use. Hopefully, this guide made the process simple and clear. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more AI tutorials, automation workflows, and practical tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.